अस्तु ah so we learned about putra. So putra is the avya. It means in English means where. And the answer to putra uh, are atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra. So these are all, as we know, these are also avya. Avya means they don't change forms. They always remain the same. So somebody asks Bhavan kutrasti, so you can say aham atrasmi, uh, sah tatrasti, uh, sah anatrasti, sah anatrasti, so he's somewhere else. Or if we someone asks about Bhagavan or Vayu, you can say Vayu sarvatrasti or Devata sarvatrasti. Apart from these atra tatra anatra sarvatra, if you have to tell about location or position, we use Saptami Vibhakti that we already learned. Saptami Vibhakti has different forms. Napunsakling and in Pulling, the form remains the same. Striling is different. And also form changes based on its ending. So Akarant, Ikarant, um, Ukarant have different forms that we have gone through in previous two classes. Anyone have any doubt so far? Any question regarding last classes, previous classes? Astu. So, अद्य वयं पठिष्यामः कुत्र बहुवचने पुल्लिङ्गे. So, pulling sabda. So, in pullinge, we learned about akarant, ikarant, and ukarant. तर्हि नटराज महोदय भवान् पठतु पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दाः.
पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दाः सप्तमी विभक्ति. प्रश्नः कुत्र कस्मिन् केषु.
So kutra is where, kasmin is in which, or kesu in all which, or among which. Yeah, astu bhavan pradatu.
अकारान्त एकवचन रामे, द्विवचन रामयोः, बहुवचन रामेषु. इकारान्त एकवचने अग्नि, द्विवचने अग्नयोः, बहुवचने अग्निषु.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Sorry, I got doubt here. Agni, ekavachana, Agni remains Agni, is it? Like Ramaha, Rame, Ramayo, Rameshu. So Agni, will it remain Agni?
No. Bhagavan Satyamati atra thuti asti, concord thuti asti. Aham samikaromi. Let me fix that. Agni bhavati agnau.
Agno, this Agno. Okay. Okay.
इकारान्त
Agnayo. Okay, right.
अग्नौ अग्नयोः अग्निषु. उकारान्त गुरु शब्द गुरौ गुर्वोः गुरुषु.
Sapna Bhagini, Agrim Sarani Padatu, read the next table, please.
पुंलिंग सर्वनाम पदाः सप्तमी विभक्ति तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु. एतद् शब्दः एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु किं शब्दः न कस्मिन् कस्मिन् कस्योः केषु यद् शब्दः यस्मिन् ययोः येषु
सो तर्हि पुल्लिङ्गे एतानि रूपाणि सन्ति. सो इन् पुल्लिङ्ग् वी हेव् ऑल दीस् फॉर्म्स. सप्तमी भक्ति. कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति अत्र कस्यापि? एनीवन हैज एनी डाउट? अस्तु,
नास्ति।
अग्रे चलामः. संशयः नास्ति. बहु सम्यक्. अस्तु, तुलसीराम भवान् पठतु.
तीर्थस्थानं कुत्र अस्ति? तीर्थस्थानं पर्वते अस्ति.
अत्र एकः त्रुटिः अस्ति. न त्रुटिः नास्ति, क्षम्यताम्. तो अत्र वयं पठामः एकवचने, समानेव बहुवचने. पठतु पुनः भवान्.
तीर्थस्थानानि कुत्र सन्ति? तीर्थस्थानानि पर्वतेषु सन्ति.
So if you see here, पर्वते एकवचने. So तीर्थस्थानि कुत्र अस्ति? Where is the pilgrimage place? Where is तीर्थस्थानम्? अत्र एकवचने, अत्र बहुवचने. तीर्थस्थानानि कुत्र सन्ति? तीर्थस्थानानि पर्वतेषु सन्ति. So अत्र पर्वत एकवचने, there is only one hill. अत्र many mountains or many hills. पर्वतेषु. अस्तु. नटराज महोदय भवान् पठतु.
बलिवर्दाः मार्गे गच्छन्ति. बलिवर्दाः कुत्र गच्छन्ति? मार्गे गच्छन्ति.
बलिवर्दाः कुत्र गच्छन्ति? बलिवर्दाः मार्गे गच्छन्ति.
बलिवर्दाः कुत्र गच्छन्ति? बलिवर्दाः मार्गेषु गच्छन्ति.
So bullock carts are going on roads. So अत्र एकः एव मार्गः अस्ति. Here is only one road. अतः मार्गे एकवचने, सप्तमी एकवचने, मार्गे. अत्र बहवः मार्गाः सन्ति. Here we have many roads. अतः मार्गेषु 1 2 3 त्रयः मार्गाः सन्ति मार्गेषु. अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् पठतु.
कमलानि कासारे सन्ति.
कमलानि कुत्र सन्ति? कमलानि
कमलानि कसरे सन्ति.
कासारे सन्ति. कासारे सन्ति. कासारे means
कासारे
lake.
सन्ति.
Kasare means lake. Now here we have only one lake. So कमलानि कुत्र सन्ति? कमलानि कासारे सन्ति. Only one lake. एतदेव पठतु भवान्. Read this as well.
कमलानि कासारेषु सन्ति.
So we have lotuses in many
Many
lakes.
lakes.
तो कासारे एक वचने, कासारेषु बहुवचने. So form is same like Rama. So margeshu, parvateshu, kasareshu. So we have many lakes. So kasareshu. Astu. Adhut Bhavan, भवान् पठतु.
Mhoday. Namo Namah. My camera is also having the same Teams issue.
No, चिन्ता मास्तु.
Okay. पुस्तकानि कुत्र सन्ति? पुस्तकानि स्यूते सन्ति. Where are the books? Books are in the bag.
In the bag.
Eka, in a bag.
Eka वचन अस्ति. There is only one bag. Eka सूता अस्ति. अतः स्यूते.
स्यूते. स्यूते.
इधर अभी पढ़तु.
पुस्तकानि कुत्र सन्ति? पुस्तकानि स्यूतेषु सन्ति. Books are in multiple bags, more than one bags, 3 bags.
Books are in bags. Books are in bags. More than 2. अतः श्रुतेषु सन्ति. बहु सम्यक्. अस्तु. ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् पठतु. भवान् म्यूट् अस्ति, अन्म्यूट् करोतु.
सर्पः
सर्पाः
सर्पाः वल्मीके निवसन्ति.
अत्र किञ्चित् दोषः अस्ति, चिन्ता मास्तु. इदं पठतु.
पिपीलिकाः वल्मीकेषु निवसन्ति.
So ants are living in ant hills. So वाल्मीकः अर्थात् ant hill. वाल्मीकः. So अत्र एकः वाल्मीकः अस्ति, अतः वाल्मीके. So वाल्मीके निवसन्ति. वाल्मीकेष्वत्र 3 वाल्मीकाः सन्ति. 1 2 3 3 वाल्मीकाः सन्ति, अतः वाल्मीकेषु निवसन्ति. अस्तु. हरिराज महोदय, भवान् पठतु.
प्रकाशः अग्नौ अस्ति.
प्रकाशः कुत्र अस्ति?
प्रकाशः कुत्र अस्ति? प्रकाशः अग्नौ अस्ति.
Light is in the fire. अस्तु. एतदपि पठतु.
प्रकाशः कुत्र अस्ति? प्रकाशः अग्निषु अस्ति.
So we have many fires lit. So प्रकाशः अग्निषु अस्ति. अस्तु. स्मिता भगिनी, पठतु.
भक्तिः विश्वासः गुरौ अस्ति. Where is faith?
Where is faith? Where is bhakti?
Faith is
in the guru.
On teacher.
So I have faith or bhakti in the teacher. इदं पठतु.
भक्तिः विश्वासः गुरुषु अस्ति.
So faith is in teacher.
Teachers.
भक्तिः विश्वासः गुरुषु अस्ति. So कुत्र समाधानं? समाधानं means answer or उत्तरं. कुत्र समाधानं पुल्लिङ्गे द्विवचने? We read. उमा भगिनी, पठतु.
पुल्लिङ्गे एकवचने in or location.
So कुत्र किं वदति? कुत्र वदति? In, on, location.
कासरः कासारे कासारेषु, पर्वतः पर्वते पर्वतेषु, मार्गः मार्गे मार्गेषु, स्यूतः स्यूते स्यूतेषु, तडागः तडागे तडागेषु.
सम्यक्. So तत् आसीत् पुल्लिङ्गं. नौ इदानीं वयं पश्यामः स्त्रीलिङ्गे, बहुवचने स्त्रीलिङ्गे. कुत्र? शिवकुमार महोदय, भवान् पठतु.
स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः. प्रश्नः कुत्र, कस्मिन्, काषु. एकवचनं पेटिकायां, द्विवचनं पेटिकयोः, बहुवचनं पेटिकाषु. ईकार शब्दः एकवचनं नद्यां, द्विवचनं नद्योः, बहुवचनं नदीषु.
नदीषु. सम्यक्.
नदीषु. ऊकारशब्दः एकवचनं देन्वां
हाँ, सो किम् अभवत् उकारान्त् ते द्विरूपाणि भवन्ति, सो द उकारान्त् they have two forms. So one form goes like guru, like pullinga, guru. So dhenu, it has a form like dhena. It also have a form like nadi, dhenwam. So both forms are correct. So we can, for Saptami we can say dhena, or we can also say dhenwam. So ukaran has dual form, एक वचन है. अस्तु, पठतु अग्रे.
देन्वां देनौ
धेन्वो,
द्विवचनं
हाँ,
द्विवचनं देन्वोः बहुवचनं धेनुषु
धेनुषु, हाँ. अस्तु, एतदपि पठतु. स्त्रीलिङ्ग सर्वनामः एतदपि पठतु.
स्त्रीलिङ्गः सर्वनामपदः सप्तमी विभक्ति. तत् शब्दः तस्यां तयोः तासु. एतत् शब्दः एतस्यां एतयोः एतासु.
हम्म.
किं
Why is
शब्दः
eta show? 1 minute. Why is it sh? Why are you saying sh? It is sa. Sa as in
एतासु, हाँ,
sarpah.
हाँ, एतासु.
एतासु. किं शब्दः
कास्यां, कास्यां,
कास्यां कयोः कासु.
कासु, सर्पस, हाँ.
यत् शब्दः यस्यां ययाश्
योः,
ययोः
ययोः,
यासु.
याशु.
Sir, how would you use this yad shabda in a sentence?
So yad is like the one who. So so when you so want to say so you want to ask general or is Saptami?
Saptami.
Saptami only. So the one who, so let's say there is a there is a teacher, lady teacher. You want to say that the teacher that is standing there, my faith is on her. So to say the teacher, the one who standing there. So in English, you will just use who. So in English, you use who for both asking question and to indicate someone. So you call indicative pronoun. So you will use yet. So in this case, you want to say the teacher who is standing there, or the I have faith on her or in her. So you will say mama bhakti yasyam yasyam asti. Sorry, so my sentence that I formed was my bhakti is on the teacher who is standing there. So mama bhakti yasyam asti yah tatra uttishthati. So my bhakti is on the teacher who is standing there. Did I say correctly? Yasyam, in her. सम्यक् अस्ति भवति?
Yeah, somewhat, sir. Understood. Okay.
अस्तु, अन्य प्रश्नः अस्ति? अस्तु, उमा भगिनी पठतु.
अग्निशलाकाः कुत्र अस्ति कुत्र सन्ति अग्निशलाकाः पेटिकायां सन्ति. So where are the matchsticks? Matchsticks are in the box. Matchbox.
अग्निशलाकाः in the box. एतदपि पठतु.
अग्निशलाकाः कुत्र सन्ति अग्निशलाकाः पेटिकासु सन्ति. The matchsticks are in the matchboxes.
स्वप्ना भगिनी भगिनी पठतु.
पुस्तकानि कुत्र सन्ति पुस्तकानि उत्पीठिकायां सन्ति.
So books are on one table or on the table. एतदपि पठतु.
पुस्तकानि कुत्र सन्ति पुस्तकानि उत्पीठिकासु सन्ति. Many tables.
So
Books are on many tables.
Many tables. Or books are on tables. ईश्वरन् महोदय भवान् पठतु.
शिशुः दोलयां क्रीडन्ति.
दोलायां
क्रीडति. शिशु कुत्र क्रीडति शिशु दोलायां क्रीडति.
एतदपि पठतु.
शिशवः दोलासु क्रीडन्ति.
शिशवः कुत्र क्रीडन्ति शिशवः दोलासु क्रीडन्ति. अस्तु. हरिराज महोदय भवान् पठतु.
काकाः धेन्वाम् अथवा धेनोः नहीं धेनौ
विसर्ग नास्ति. धेनौ
अस्तु धेनौ उपविशन्ति. काकाः धेन्वाम् अथवा धेनौ उपविशन्ति.
काकाः कुत्र उपविशन्ति काकाः धेनौ उपविशन्ति. काकाः धेन्वाम् उपविशन्ति. एतदपि पठतु.
काकाः धेनुषु उपविशन्ति. काकाः कुत्र उपविशन्ति काकाः धेनुषु उपविशन्ति.
अस्तु. अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् पठतु. अहम् एकवचनं न दत्तवान्. That's fine. Just I didn't put the एकवचनं. That's fine. पठतु. अस्तु एकं कार्यं करोतु. वर्षा अस्ति शब्दः. एतस्य एकवचनं वदतु. किं भवति एकवचनं? What will be the एकवचनं?
वर्षायां.
बालकाः वर्षायाम् आर्द्रा भवन्ति.
बालकाः वर्षायाम् आर्द्राः भवन्ति. बालकाः वर्षायां कुत्र बालकाः कुत्र आर्द्राः सन्ति. बालकाः भवन्ति. क्षम्यताम्.
वदतु.
बालकाः कुत्र आर्द्राः भवन्ति. बालकाः वर्षासु आर्द्राः भवन्ति.
आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि वदतु. Translate in English as well.
एकवचनम् also.
English.
Oh, the children.
Where
the children Ardra.
Adra is getting wet.
Where? In the rain.
Yeah. So
Where
kids
the
are
where
getting
the
wet.
children the children are getting wet in all the rain, in many rains.
Many rains. अस्तु भवान् भवान् पठतु इदानीं.
आं महोदय. पत्राणि कुत्र सन्ति? पत्राणि पाकशालायां thanks for correcting. पात्राणि कुत्र सन्ति? पात्राणि पाकशालायां सन्ति. Where are the utensils? Right?
Where are the utensils?
The kitchen.
Are in the pen. इदai पठतु भवान्.
आं महोदय. पात्राणि पाकशालासु सन्ति. Utensils are in multiple kitchens.
So where are the utensils? Utensils are in the
kitchens.
अस्तु कः न उक्तवान्? Who has not spoken yet?
Me.
वदतु नटराज महोदय. वदतु.
वस्त्राणि कुत्र सन्ति? वस्त्राणि द्रोणायां सन्ति. The clothes are in the basket. Where are the clothes? The clothes are in the basket.
Clothes are in the basket. इदai पठतु.
वस्त्राणि कुत्र सन्ति? वस्त्राणि द्रोणीषु सन्ति. Are many baskets. Where are the clothes? The clothes are in the many baskets. द्रोणीषु सन्ति.
द्रोणी सन्ति. तुलसीराम भवान् भवतः वारी इदानीं.
नौका नद्यां तरति. नौका कुत्र तरति? नौका नद्यां तरति. नौका floats or sails in water.
नौका sails in water. Boat sails in water. इदai पठतु.
नौकाः नदीषु तरन्ति सन्ति. The boats float in rivers.
Rivers, boats float or sails in a river. अस्तु स्वप्ना भगिनी पठतु.
पेटिका पेटिकायां पेटिकासु उत्पीठिका उत्पीठिका उत्पीठिकायां उत्पीठिकासु धेनु धेन्वां धेनुषु नदी नद्यां नदीषु द्रोणी द्रोण्यां द्रोणीषु.
अस्तु स्मिता भगिनी पठतु.
कुत्र बहुवचने नपुंसकलिङ्गे.
तो इदानीं वयं पठिष्यामः नपुंसकलिङ्गविषये. सप्तमी विभक्ते नपुंसकलिङ्ग पुंलिङ्ग इव अस्ति. So in Saptami, Napumsakling has the same form as Pullinga. They are both same. There is no difference. So Uma Bhagni Padatu. It's already.
नपुंसकलिंग
नपुंसकलिंग
शब्दाः विभक्ति प्रश्नः कुत्र कस्मिन् केषु एकवचनफले द्विवचनफलयोः बहुवचने फलेषु इकारान्त एकवचनवारिणी द्विवचनवारिणौ बहुवचनवारिषु.
Shamitam, see, when I said that Saptami Bhakti they are saying, that's for Akarant only. True. Ikarant to Karant Bhinna Santi. So only Akarant, their forms are same. Ikarant to Karant, they are different. So if you see here, we have the forms are a bit different. Astu Bhagni, Vadatu. Bhagni, Pravartayatu.
उकारान्त मधुनि द्विवचन मधुनोः बहुवचन मधुषु नपुंसकलिंग सर्वनाम पदाः एकवचनः तत् शब्द तस्मिन्, द्विवचन तयोः, बहुवचन तेषु। एतत् शब्द एकवचन एतस्मिन्, द्विवचन एतयोः, बहुवचन एतेषु। किं शब्द एकवचन कस्मिन्, द्विवचन कस्योः, बहुवचन केषु। यत् शब्द एकवचन यस्मिन्, द्विवचन ययोः, बहुवचन येषु।
दीपक महोदय, इकारांत शब्द वारिणी, what is the prathama vibhakti for varini? Varini itself?
No,
What is the word that, what is the shabda?
Vari.
Vari.
Vari asti jalam. Vari means jal.
Vari is water. Water.
So prathama karta अस्ति वारी. वारी, वारिणी, वारिणी एवमस्ति.
ओके, अस्तु अस्तु अस्तु। मधुनी, मधुनी,
मधु, मधुनी, मधु means honey.
Honey,
Madhu,
honey, yeah.
honey. मधु, मधुनी, मधुनी एवं भवति.
अस्तु अस्तु अस्तु, धन्यवाद।
So Uma Bhagini asked, right, how to use yad shabd again. So let's see, if you want to say apple on which let's say fly sitting, don't eat, or let's say make it simple, apple on which the fly sitting is dirty. So if you split, you can say Yasmin se phale, Yasmin se phale, machika tishtati tat malinam. So on which fruit or apple fly sitting, that one is dirty. So Yasmin phale, Yasmin phale, or Yasmin se phale, machika tishtati tat phalam malinam. So when we read about Saptami Bhakti in detail, so in this class we are not going through Saptami Bhakti in full. We're just covering one part of it. So when we read about Saptami Bhakti later, we'll read in detail about the use of yad, kim, etad. Then it will be a bit clearer. We'll give more examples. Astu. Ka patati Tulsi Bhavan. Bhavan patatu.
Chalakaha vahane asti. The driver is in the vehicle.
Driver is in the vehicle. Here Bhavan etadi pattu.
Chalakaha vahaneshu santi. The drivers are in the cars, vehicles.
In the cars, or drivers are in the vehicle. Bahut samyak. Swapna Bhagini. Bhagini patatu.
Mishrannam patre asti. Mixed rice pulao is in the vessel.
In the patre, in the vessel. Etadi pattu.
Mishrannam patreshu asti. Mixed rice is in the
dishes or in
vessels.
the bowls. In the bowls. Mixed
In the
rice
bowls.
in bowls. Ishwar Bhavan patatu.
अवलोकः
Avaleha.
अवलेह क्षीणभाण्डे अस्ति
Avaleha bhavati pickles.
ओके
तो आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् अपि वदतु भवान्. Speak in English as well. English भाषायां
the pickle is in the jar.
Pickle is in the jar. China bhanda अपि अस्ति. China clay pot, you can say. China clay pot भवति न चीन भाण्डं. So भाण्डं भवति पात्र, चीन भवति China clay. So if you don't want to say China, you can these are also fine. Bhanda means
Jar.
what you call pot.
Pot.
अस्तु एतत् पठतु
अवलेखाः
लेहाः अवलेहाः
लेहाः चीनभाण्डेषु सन्ति. The pickles are in the jars.
In the jars, or you can say pots, both are. And if you want to be specific, you can say in the China clay pot, China clay pots. But you don't have to say China clay pots. You can just say bhandeshu. Tatapi samyak. You don't have to say chin. You can just say avalehaah bhandeshu santi. Pickles are in the jars. That's also fine. अस्तु अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् पठतु.
मत्स्याः वारिणी संचरन्ति.
Sancharanti means move around, walk about, roaming here and there.
Sancharanti.
Sancharanti. आंग्ल भाषा में वदतु. Speak in English as well.
The fish are in the ocean.
The fish are in the water, or you can say the fish are in moving around in the water, or they are
the fish are moving. Fish are moving in the water.
Moving, roaming, or swimming around. Sancharati. Sancharanti.
Oh, that's like comes from like charati.
Charati. So
comes from charati.
So sa is upsarga here. Charati means move around. Sancharati is also move around. Doesn't make any much difference. But the dhatu asti charati.
Again?
Read this as well. Bahuvachane.
Matsyaha varishu sancharanti. Matsyaha kutra sancharanti. Matsyaha varishu sancharanti.
English भाषायामपि
The fish.
वदतु भवान् वदतु.
I'm sorry.
English, speak in English as well. Translate in English as well.
The fish are moving around in the waters.
The waters. Astu. Bahut samyak. Adut Bhavan. पढ़तु.
कुञ्चिकाः द्वारे और ताले सन्ति. कुञ्चिकाः कुत्र सन्ति? कुञ्चिकाः द्वारे सन्ति.
आंग्ल भाषायामपि परिवर्तयतु.
Where is the key?
Where are the keys?
Where are the keys? Yeah. Where are the keys? Keys are in the door or in the lock.
In or on. You can say in the door, on the door.
कुञ्चिकाः कुत्र सन्ति? कुञ्चिकाः द्वारेषु सन्ति. कुञ्चिकाः तालेषु सन्ति. Keys are on the doors or keys are on the locks.
कः न उक्तवान्? उषा भगिनी उक्तवती. उमा भगिनी उक्तवती किम्?
पुष्पाणि कुत्र विकसन्ति? पुष्पाणि उद्याने विकसन्ति. Where are the flowers? Flowers are in the garden.
विकसन्ति अस्ति growing.
Blooming.
Blooming, growing. एतत् पठतु.
पुष्पाणि कुत्र विकसन्ति? पुष्पाणि उद्यानेषु विकसन्ति. Where are the flowers blooming? Flowers are blooming in many gardens.
Many gardens. अस्तु. फणिराज महोदय.
मधुकराः मधुनि सन्ति. मधुकराः कुत्र सन्ति? मधुकराः मधूनि सन्ति. मधुनी
मधुनी मधुनी
मधुनी अथवा मधुनी उकारांत है उकारांत
उकारांत मधुनी
मधुनी अस्तु
आङ्ग्लभाषायां परिवर्तयतु
क्षम्यतां the honeybees are in the I'm sorry, the honey is in the honeybees.
No, honeybees are in the honey.
Madhukaraha
means honeybees.
Honeybees, is it? Okay, so I was right there. Right. So honeybees.
You can also say madhumachikaah. That's also right. Madhumachikaah.
Okay. So yeah.
Madhuni is honey or honeycomb?
Madhumachikaah. Kimavan?
Madhuni is like honey or honeycomb?
Honey.
Honey.
Madhubani honey.
Okay.
I couldn't get the good picture of
Okay.
honey. When I searched for bees on the honey, that all I got. So I put this picture.
Okay.
Astu. Idari Partu Bhavan.
Madhukaraha madhushu santi. Madhukaraha kutra santi. Madhukaraha madhushu santi. The honeybees are in the honeycombs. Are in madhushu is honeycombs, no? Bahuvachan.
Honey. Honeycomb nasti.
Honey, but bahuvachan honey. How do we say? I mean, in English. In English, how do we say in honeys?
How do you say? That's a good question. Just use singular.
Okay.
Or you can say, just say singular, Astu.
Or bhande, you can say. Madhu bhande. Madhu bhandeshu.
Honeycomb, I have to see. Honeycomb won't be bhand. Bhand is a patra. I will check. Honeycomb. Let me see. Let's check. LearnSanskrit.cc is a good website. So let's see if they have honeycomb. I think it could be Chhatram. Madhu Chhatram. But let me check. Honeycomb.
So I just looked it up. It's Madhu Kosha. Madhu Krama.
Kosha, I think should be, but Kosha means pocket. So I think Kosha could be easier to remember.
Yeah.
Grantha api samyak asti. Grantha also means a carrier. So I think
or Madhunadi.
Madhukosha is Napumsaka. Madhukosha.
Kosham bhavati. So Kosham bhavati.
Madhukoshasu. Madhukoshasu.
Madhukosheshu.
Madhukoshesu. Astu. Dhanyavad.
Astu. Agre chalama. Nataraj Mohan, Bhavan padatu.
नर्तकाः कुत्र नृत्यति नर्तकाः नृत्यन्ति नर्तकाः मन्दिरे नृत्यन्ति the dancers where are the dancers where are the dancers dancers are dancing in the temple नर्तक्यः कुत्र नृत्यन्ति नर्तक्यः मन्दिरेषु नृत्यन्ति the dancers are dancing in many temples मन्दिरेषु
ध्रुवभगिनी स्वागतमस्ति भवती विलम्बेन आगता अस्ति अद्य
आं महोदय I was in a Bhagavatam Saptah and then I went to Texas.
चिन्ता मास्तु So when you, so if you want to say I am late, so you can say aham vilamben. So we learned about Tritiya Vibhakti. So aham vilamben. So if you are pulling agatah, if you are female agata. So aham vilamben आगतः अस्मि और आगता अस्मि. अस्तु. ध्रुव भगिनी पठतु.
रोटिका पिष्टपचने अस्ति.
So pishta bhavati a flower. Pachan means on which you basically
Cook.
make the roti. So
Cook.
what do you call frying pan? Frying pan is pishta pachan. So if you don't
Tawa.
want to say tawa, so if you don't want to say
Pishta.
So pishta is just to tell you that it is a pan on which you make the roti. So pishta bhavati
Right.
flour. So pishta pachan means flour pan, if you say. हाँ, तो रोटिका पिष्ट पचने अस्ति. So chapati is on the tawa.
Fillet.
एतत् पठतु, बहुवचने पठतु.
रोटिकाः पिष्टपचनेषु सन्ति. So from pachana, it became pishtapachaneshu.
Pishtapachaneshu. So rotis are on frying pan.
Yes. Many.
On many frying pan. अस्तु, स्मिता भगिनी पठतु.
दोषा कदलीपर्णे अस्ति. दोषा कुत्र अस्ति? Where is dosa? Where is dosa? Dosa on the banana leaf.
एतत् पठतु. अत्र दोषा अस्ति. पठतु भगिनी पठतु.
दोषाः कदलीपर्णेषु अस्ति.
So I'm fixing. So for fixing, you can also say sodhyami. Aham sodhyami. Or another word is samikaromi. I am fixing. So aham sodhyami. Or you can say aham samikaromi. Astu. कः न उक्तवान् इदानीं. अस्तु, ध्रुव भगिनी विलम्बेन आगता अस्ति. ध्रुवनी पुनः पठतु.
आं महोदय, धन्यवादः. इण्डल्यः पात्रे सन्ति. इण्डल्यः पात्रे सन्ति. बहुवचने इण्डल्याः. इण्डल्यः पात्रेषु सन्ति.
आङ्ग्लभाषामपि वदतु.
Idli is in the pan. Patreshu pan, and many idlis are. So why did the Indalyah not change? Indalyah is.
अत्रापि बहुवचने अस्ति खलु. So here also there are many idlis.
Okay.
So you see,
so ekvachana किम् अस्ति?
We are focusing on atra adhikaran, where. So where are idlis? Idlis are in one patre.
Vessel.
So here this is not important.
Okay.
What is important is
patre.
Where are idlis? Idlis are in one
container, patra, vessel.
Container. So here again, where are idlis? idlis are in many containers. Idlis
Yes.
are in many patre. Astu.
Many idlis are in many patra, in
Ha,
a many containers.
many containers. So what we are focusing on is kutra.
Putra.
Kutra. So in this case, there are many idlis, but container is one. Patram, patre. Here again, there are many idlis, but we also have many containers. Patreshu.
Patreshu.
Patreshu. Astu. इतने पढ़तु ध्रुव भगिनी.
Vahane. Vahaneshu. Patre. Patreshu. Varini. Varishu. Tale. Taleshu. Udyane. Udyaneshu. Madhuni. Madhushu.
See, when I'm asking people to translate, I'm using Kriya Parivartayatu. So you can use Parivartayatu wherever you want to say change. Even say if you want to say I'm changing my clothes, you can also use the same. Aham Vastram Parivartayami. Or if you want to tell your kid, you say, okay, change your clothes. When you come from school, you say change your clothes. So you can say Vastram Parivartayatu, change your clothes. So Parivartayatu is also a very useful word in conversation. And the thing I use like continue. I says Anuvartayatu. So if you want to say someone, continue whatever you're doing. So you can say Anuvartayatu. Anuvartayatu. Continue. Please continue. Anuvartayatu. Astu. That's out of
शीर्षिका एकवचने केवलम् एकवचने लिखितवान् बहुवचन अपि शीर्षिके केवलम् एकवचने लिखितवान्
हम शोधयामि एकवचने धन्यवादः
बहुवचने अपि
बहुवचने सम्यक् धन्यवादः अस्तु
मधुनी तत्र बहुवचनम् अपि अस्ति मधुषु
महोदय
earlier we were struggling what is the bahuvachan for madhuni
वयं पठामः खलु
no we were searching here we were searching
what is honeycomb
okay maybe in the English translation okay
we searching for honeycomb so honeycomb भवति मधुकोशः और मधुग्रन्थः
अस्तु अस्तु
अस्तु वयं अभ्यासं कुर्मः अस्तु फणिराज महोदय भवान् अपि एकनिमिषम् अहं करोमि स्लाइड् शो अस्तु फणिराज महोदय एतस्य एतस्य सप्तमीरूपं वदतु बहुवचने जवनिका धूली अस्ति तो जवनिका एतस्य प्रयोगं कृत्वा बहुवचनरूपं वदतु
जवनिका धूलिः अस्ति the curtain has dirt
dirt is on the curtain
sorry kshamata the dirt is on the curtain right now I have to make it bahuvachan correct
many curtains
javanika strilinga akarant तो अत्र जवनिकायां धूलिः
जवनिकायां भवति एकवचन वयं
जवनिकासु धूलिः अस्ति
सम्यक् ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् पठतु।
कपाटिका वस्त्राणि अस्ति।
कपाटिका अस्ति, कपाटिका भवति कबर्ड।
Okay.
So English is
The
many-
clothes are in the almirah.
clothes are in many almirahs, because we have to say bahuvachan. So badatu किं भवति?
कपाटिकासु वस्त्राणि सन्ति।
अत्र एकः दोषः अस्ति, अहं शोधिष्यामि। अत्र should be सन्ति। अस्तु, स्मिता भगिनी पठतु।
उत्पीठिका पुस्तकानि सन्ति। Books are on the table.
एतस्य बहुवचन रूपं वदतु।
उत्पीठिकासु
पुस्तकानि सन्ति।
उत्पीठिकासु पुस्तकानि सन्ति।
बहु सम्यक्। ध्रुव भगिनी वदतु।
देवः मम भक्तिः अस्ति।
मम भक्ति कुत्र अस्ति? मम भक्ति
देवः अस्ति, but the plural of that is bahuvachan of devah is देवेषु मम भक्तिः, देवेषु मम भक्तिः अस्ति। अस्मि नास्ति।
भक्ति प्रथमस्य अस्ति। भक्ति अत्र भवति
मम भक्ति।
अहम् अस्मि न, मम भक्ति
अस्ति। राइट। ओके।
अहम् अस्मि, मम भक्ति अस्ति। कुत्र
अस्ति?
Where my faith, my श्रद्धा is on the God.
देवेषु मम भक्ति अस्ति।
अस्तु, उमा भगिनी।
छात्रस्य प्रीति कुत्र अस्ति? छात्रस्य प्रीति मधुरे अस्ति, और छात्रस्य प्रीतिः मधुरेषु अस्ति।
आङ्ग्लभाषायां वदतु, परिवर्तयतु, आङ्ग्लभाषायां परिवर्तयतु।
The students like sweets.
No. Where is students' interest?
Interest. It is in sweets.
Where is students' love or interest?
Okay, it is in sweets.
Students' interest or love is in sweets or on sweets. छात्रस्य प्रीतिः मधुरेषु अस्ति। अस्तु, सपना भगिनी वदतु।
देवी मम भक्तिः अस्ति। देवी।
So you have to use the
नद्योः नदीषु। देवीषु, right?
Devishu. See, so this is there is one technique is that for Saptami Bahuvachan, apart from Akarant, for others we just add shu at the end. Only for
Devishu.
In Akarant becomes Ram become Rame, Deve. In all other forms they follow the same rule. Just add su at the end. That's all.
Devishu mama bhaktihi asti. In Devis my bhakti is there.
My faith,
my faith,
my faith is in goddesses. Goddesses, right? Goddess. Goddesses. देवीषु भक्ति अस्ति। अस्तु, अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् पठतु। भवान् म्यूट् अस्ति। You are mute. अनम्यूट करो तो भवान।
Stalika is plate.
हाँ, सालिका इज प्लेट।
Okay. Bhojanam stalika asti. Bhojanam stalikasu asti. The
हाँ,
food is in the plates.
फूड्स इज इन द प्लेट्स, दैट्स राइट। बहुत सम्यक। अजून भवान पढ़ तू।
आं महोदय। पायसं कुत्र अस्ति? पायसं पात्रेषु अस्ति।
पायसम किम् अस्ति? खीर।
या खीर की।
राइस पुडिंग।
या
बहुत सम्यक भवान। कह न उक्तवान् तुलसी भवान पढ़ तू।
सिंहः वनं गर्जन्ति। सिंह वनेषु गर्जन्ति।
सिंहः वनेषु गर्जति। बहुत सम्यक। नटराज महोदय भवान पढ़ तू।
मलिनता के कुत्र अस्ति? मलिनता केशः अस्ति।
मलिनता भवति dirtiness or what you call
Dirtiness.
it?
It's in the
dirtiness.
hair. Keshaha is hair. Malinata kesheshu asti.
Malinta keshishu. So
the
basically the other way of saying hairs are dirty.
So
you can say dirtiness is on
the hairs.
Yes,
Dirtiness
so
is on the hairs.
उमा ध्रुव भगिनी भवती पठतु। ध्रुव भगिनी गतवती किम्?
I went. I think Faniraj Mahoday and Uma ji have not gone.
फणिराज महोदय भवान् पठतु। अस्तु फणिराज महोदय।
अस्तु। मन्दिरं गणेशः अस्ति। गणेशः कुत्र अस्ति? गणेशः मन्दिरम् अस्ति। मन्दिरेषु गणेशः अस्ति।
बहु सम्यक्। ध्रुव भगिनी इदानीं भवती पठतु।
लेखनी मशी अस्ति। मशी कुत्र अस्ति? लेखनीषु ने।
अच्छा, सम्यक्।
लेखनीषु मशी अस्ति।
So see, to making Saptami Vibhakti is very easy. Just add su at the end.
Is it su or shu? Su or shu?
So if you remember Nattam rule, so what happens? I think this will be. So if the last letter is akarant or akarant, so the last letter is akarant, that will become su, surya su. But if it is anything else, is a or e, then it become satkon sha. If you notice here, deveshu shu, because it is a. Devi e shu, patre shu. Only when it is akaransi javinika shu. So if it is akaran, if it is akaran, tada su bhavati. If it is not akarant, if it is ikarant, ekarant, ukarant, tarhi satkon shu bhavati.
धन्यवाद।
अस्तु। क्या पठति इस्ता भगिनी? भवती पठतु।
माला सूत्रम् अस्ति। मालेषु सूत्रम् अस्ति।
सम्यक्। मालेषु मालासु न मालास्ति। मालासु सूत्रम् अस्ति। बहु सम्यक्। वदतु।
Flowers on the thread.
Thread is in the flowers.
Threads in this flower.
Thread is in the flowers. Sutram thread is in the flowers. Where is thread? Thread is in the flowers. Astu. Now we will do abhyasah. Parivartanam. अस्तु कः आरम्भं करोति नटराज महोदय भवान् आरम्भं करोतु
Flowers bloom on creepers. Where do the flowers bloom? Where do the pushpe kutra vikasante?
flowers where?
Flowers where?
The flowers एकवचन भवति पुष्पं
पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि पुष्पाणि कुत्र विकसन्ति पुष्पाणि लताशु creepers lata is one creeper latasu vikasanti
पुष्पाणि लतासु विकसन्ति ईश्वर महोदय भवान् करोतु
leaves fall in the rivers. Patrani patanti.
कुत्र पतन्ति?
भूमि.
न रिवर्स् अस्ति नदी.
Okay. Nadishu.
नदीषु. Let's say you said भूमि. भूमि समाने भवति. भूमिषु.
Oh, भूमिषु.
भूमिषु
पतन्ति.
तुलसीराम भगवान् वदतु.
Vehicles move on the streets. So vahanani margeshu chalanti.
चलन्ति गच्छन्ति बहु सम्यक्. ध्रुव भगिनी वदतु.
Girls play in the gardens. Balika. बालिकाः उद्यानेषु रमन्ति नो प्लेस् इस् क्रीडन्ति
सम्यक् क्रीडन्ति. इष्टा भगिनी पठनं परिवर्तनं करोतु.
Elephant move in the forest. Gajaha vane भ्रमन्ति.
वने भ्रमन्ति वनेषु
गजाः वनेषु
भ्रमन्ति सञ्चरन्ति चलन्ति प्रचलन्ति गच्छन्ति. स्वप्ना भगिनी परिवर्तनं करोतु.
Offices are in the cities. Offices, karyalayam. So karyalayani. Nagari. So nagari. Nadishu. Nagarishu. Nagarishu. Santi.
So if you want to say add something, like in English you say join or add, you can say use the word yojayatu. Add it. Yojayatu. I am adding, aham yojayami. He is adding, saha yojayati. Yojayati or sanyojayati. Both you can use.
For what?
If you want to, so I asked you add su. So for the word add,
okay.
For add you can use the word yojayami or sanyojayami. Or if you are asking someone to add, say yojayatu bhavan, yojayatu bhavati.
Yes.
Astu Avdut bhavan kरोतु.
They go to the rail stations at 6 p.m. They
we don't have I will change it. So 7 They are at railway stations at 6 p.m. Now do the conversion. Did not they,
Okay,
they go to they are at the railway station. I will fix it, but do
okay.
that way. They
Okay,
are
they
at
are
railway
at
station,
the rail stations at 6
at
p.m.
6 p.m.
So rail stations is a
Rail sthanakam. Rail
rail
sthanakam.
sthanakam. Okay, so Napusakalinga. Right, so rail sthanakeshu.
They will become te. Let's say
Te.
te or tah.
Te.
Because
Okay.
te.
Okay. Te षड्वादने रेलस्थानकेषु सन्ति
भवन्ति
भवन्ति
ते रेलस्थानकेषु षड्वादने भवन्ति सन्ति अस्तु अस्तु there's a footy here as well in it. We'll fix that. कः न उक्तवान् अमरनाथ महोदय वदतु 9th नवमम् अमरनाथ महोदय गतवान् किम् अस्तु अमरनाथ महोदय गतवान् उमा भगिनी 9th one नवमं परिवर्तयतु संस्कृते
जनाः कुत्र कार्यं कुर्वन्ति जनाः भवनेषु कार्यं कुर्वन्ति
जनाः भवनेषु कार्यं कुर्वन्ति स्वप्ना भगिनी 10मं परिवर्तयतु संस्कृते
Grandmother tells stories at nights. Grandmother. Okay. Pitamahi or Matamahi. Matamahi tell story. Katha. Kathaha. Right? Kathaha. Kathaha. Ratri. So Ratrishu. कथाः रात्रिषु कथाः वदति
so for telling we generally use
रचयति
kathayati Vrati is also not wrong, but generally for telling we just use kathayati because there is no conversation.
Yeah, sure. So Ratrishu, is that right? Ratrishu?
Ratrishu. Astu.
So this will become this will become Matamahi Ratrishu Kathayati.
Kathah kathayati. How's it one? Copy person.
The people work in the buildings, right? What was that? Janaha bhavaneshu
karyam kurvanti.
Kurvanti, yeah, that kurvanti, right?
Janaha bhavaneshu karyam kurvanti. Astu. Avdutvaman. Tattarotu.
We are interested in Venas. We is what? What is we?
Vayam.
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 Yeah. In the Venas. So Vineshu, right?
Vinashu.
Avam Ruchika Ruchi
so here so ours or ours
Veenasu, right? Sir, right?
Veenasu. Sakar Surya sir. So here so when you say interest you can say asmakam ours interest.
Asmakam.
That's one way to say we are interested that we are interested. So that's a different form. That's a bit harder. The easier is so we say we are interested or we like simple way is that we use षष्ठी. अस्माकम. अस्माकम
रुचि
आसक्ति, रुचि और
आसक्ति
आसक्ति. आसक्ति
वीणासु
अस्माकम.
सन्ति
हाँ, वीणासु सन्ति.
सन्ति
हम्म.
आसक्ति.
So रुचि रुचि भवति एकवचन. So अस्माकं रुचिः वीणासु अस्ति.
Okay.
So अस्माकं is बहुवचन but रुचि singular अस्ति. So because we're talking about
Great.
guna is singular अस्ति. अस्माकं रुचिः और अस्माकं आसक्तिः वीणासु अस्ति.
Okay. Oh, that's why ruchi is singular. That's why it's asti. Okay.
So we can say asmakam venasu ruchihi asti.
Yeah.
Asmakam. You can change the way. It doesn't matter. You can say Virasu asmakam ruchihi asti, or asmakam Virasu ruchi asti. Artha samanev. Doesn't matter.
It will be ruchihi, right? It will be ruchihi, right? Ruchihi asti.
Ruchihi. Ruchihi or asakti.
Mode, sorry to interrupt. So asmakam is shashti of what?
Asmakam mama.
Mama.
Yo is makam.
Okay.
Asmat shabdam.
Asmat shabdam.
Aham, ava, vayam.
Mama avayoh asmakam. Mai avayoh asmasu. Sapni bhavati asmasu. अस्तु उमा भगिनी वदतु. द्वादशं समयः अपि जातः. उमा भगिनी.
Yeah, cuckoos dance on the branches. Kokilah shakhayam nrityanti. Kokilaha shakhasu nrityanti.
नृत्यन्ति. बहुत सरल. क्षम्यतां. ध्रुव भगिनी. त्रयोदशं करोतु.
Me, right?
हाँ.
Players run in the competitions.
प्लेयर भवति क्रीडकाः.
क्रीडकाः. Competitions is spardha. So kutra धावति, right? धावन्ति. Play क्रीडकाः कुत्र धावन्ति. क्रीडकाः स्पर्धेषु धावन्ति.
स्पर्धा स्त्रीलिङ्ग अस्ति. स्पर्धा अस्ति न. स्पर्धा स्त्रीलिङ्ग अस्ति भवति.
स्त्रीलिङ्ग अस्ति. स्पर्धासु.
स्पर्धासु धावन्ति. तुलसीराम भवान् अस्ति. तुलसीराम भवान् वदतु.
They sit on benches. They sit on benches, seats, stools. Pitha, tripadi. So they tripadishu upavisanti.
Or if you want to use peeth, you can say peethesu. So if you use
Piteshu
or peetheshu or tripadishu.
Tripiteshu या त्रिपादिषु.
त्रिपादिषु. प्रियराज महोदय भवान् पञ्चदशं करोतु.
There are many stories in the Puranas. Purana is Napumsakalinga. Puraneshu Pullinga asti va. Purana acha. Astu. Puraneshu kati kataः पुराणेषु सन्ति.
नहीं, प्रश्न नास्ति. बहवः कथाः पुराणेषु सन्ति. बहवः कथाः पुराणेषु सन्ति बहु
बहु
सम्यक् श्रुता भगिनी वदतु
Students sit in the classroom. छात्राः पाठशाले
क्लासरूम भवति कक्षा
पाठशाले हाँ
कक्षा
सॉरी छात्राः कक्षाः कक्षासु
कक्षासु
छात्राः कक्षासु उपविशन्ति
उपविशन्ति और तिष्ठन्ति स्वप्ना भगिनी वदतु
We are at our homes.
हम्म
Vayam गृहे homes गृहं गृहेषु वयं गृहेषु सन्ति
वयं
भवन्ति भवन्ति yeah.
So you either can say bhavamah or you can say smah. Asmi swa smah.
भवामः स्मः
Vayam asmakam grihe or swagrihe. You can say swagrihesu. So our homes you can say swa. See, so basically, if you don't remember the asmat form, you can always use swa. So if for instance you want to say this is my book and you don't remember mama, so you can say swapustakam, own swapustakam, or our house swagriham. So swagriheshu asma. Vayam swagriheshu asma. ईश्वरन महोदय भवान् पठतु अष्टादशं करोतु
He sings in the assemblies sabha सा सभायां
बहुवचनस्य प्रयोगं करोतु बहुवचनं सभायाम् अपि सम्यक् अस्ति अत्र वयं करोमि
सभासु गायन्ति
she sings गायति एकवचन
गायति
सा सभासु गायति नटराज महोदय भवान् पठतु करोतु
We are interested in grammars. Vayam, we will be Vayam, grammars. Vyakaranam. So Napunsalinga, Vyakaraneshu, interested will become Ruchihi. Vakaraneshu, Ruchihi, or Asmakam. व्याकरणेषु रुचिः अस्ति
अस्माकं रुचिः व्याकरणेषु अस्ति कः करोति फणिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु 20तमं भवान् करोतु
we go out on holidays अस्माकं holidays
प्रयाणम का कैसे प्रयाणम यात्रा कैसे कैसे प्रयाणम
यात्रा
holiday means bhavati avakasha but here holiday is basically you are going on a journey so you can say prayana bhavati
अस्तु यात्रा स्त्रीलिंग भवति वा यात्रा शब्द
you can see yatra स्त्रीलिंग if you use prayanam tad bhavati napunsakling so you can use either or you can use both
अस्तु we go out on holidays अस्माकं यात्रेषु गच्छन्ति
I think is not wrong. It is ignore. I will remove this. This is not the right sentence for Saptami. Okay, so change it. So we say you tell we are on holidays. All right. Now that do that conversion. I will change it. That's not right. We go out on holidays. Not right. We are on holidays.
अस्माकं यात्रे अस्माकं
we are on holidays. So Vayam yatrasu smah.
Vayam yatresu
Yatrasu, sir.
Yatra.
Yatrasu.
Vayam
yatrasu.
yatrasu. Vayam yatrasu smah.
Saraswati sa asti va?
हाँ सरस्वती सा.
Vayam yatrasu
स्मः.
yatrasu asman
Sma.
न स्मः.
asmaha asmaha.
तो अस्मि स्वः स्मः.
Gacchamaha, can we say gacchamaha?
गच्छामः यदि वयं गच्छामः प्रयोग कुर्मः तर्हि भवति द्वितीया विभक्ति या और चतुर्थी विभक्ति. सो वयं प्रयाणस्य कृते और प्रयाणं गच्छामः. सो अत्र वयं कुत्र प्रयोगं कुर्मः. So that's why here the 20th sentence is not correct. So the correct would be where are you? We are on holidays. So here we use kutra prayoga na. Where are you? Vayam
Virama.
Vayam we are on holidays, so we are on yatra, so we are on journey. We are on journey, or you can say we are on holidays, so you can say avakasesu as well. So we are avakasesu asma. We are on holidays, so we are not working. You can say that sense as well.
Holidays, for holidays it is avakasya, is it?
So basically the thing is that in English, holiday means two things. Holiday means you are resting, but holiday also means journey. If you go out, that also is a holiday in English. So you can use both. You can say we are not working, we are on vacation. So you can say we are vayam avakasesu usmah. Or you can also say we are on yatra. Holiday means we are doing a journey. We are vayam yatrasu usmah. Or you can also say prayanam. So prayanesu usmah. We are on holidays.
Ekanimisham, we are interested in grammars. It should be vayam vyakaraneshu ruchihi smah.
Asmakam ruchihi vyakaraneshu.
What? So it is Shashti Vibhakti, we are asmakam.
So basically what happens to show interest, you can say two ways. So if you say so here actually the word should be said our interest. I think I should change the sentence. Our interest is in grammars.
Yeah.
That will be but the meaning is same. So if you want to say we are interested in something, you can use Shashti Bhakti, our asmakam
Yeah,
asakti.
no, because 17th sentence, we are at our homes. I said vayam. I didn't say asmakam, and you didn't correct me.
Because
So I'm wondering.
in 17th you are referring to ourselves, vayam. In
Vayam mama gruheshu asmi. Yeah. Smaha.
Asmakam bhakti.
Vayam mama gruheshu smaha. Correct? Vayam mama gruheshu smaha.
If you have many homes, you can have. So we are at our home. So basically, we are. So vayam mum we won't say because you are referring to many people. So you can say vayam asmakam grihesu.
Asmakam gruheshu.
Vayam asmakam grihesu.
Asmakam gruheshu smaha.
Smaha. So Bhagni is saying, so in 19th, we are referring to interest of all of us. Now we are not referring to just us being somewhere. We are saying that where is our interest? That's why we are using
Suppose we keep interest in grammar. How do we say we keep interest in grammar?
Means you're saying
vayam vyakaranasu ruchi.
You want to say keep keep
we keep interest in grammar. So,
so keep,
mama
so
ruchi vyakaranasu.
no, you want to say keep, then the word is sthapyati. So then you say ruchim vyakaraneshu sthapayatu.
Sthapayatu.
You are saying someone, right? Because you're ordering someone that ruchim vyakaraneshu sthapayatu. So keep your interest in vyakaran. So you are ordering something. So sthapayatu. If you want to say I am keeping, then you say sthapayami.
Sthapayami.
Aham mama ruchim vyakarane sthapayami or vyakaraneshu sthapayami. I am keeping.
Okay. So sthapayami. Okay.
Sthapayami.
Sir, how as the word for aham is mama, mine, what is the word for vayam?
Vayam bhavati mai ismasu. Mai avyog masu. So mai means in me, in all of us, asmasu.
So if you have to use rochate, rochate. So how do you say that to me, grammar interests me. So mama vyakaranam rochate.
No. So if you want to say that way, you'll say asmabhyam. So tatra saptami na bhavati. If you use rochate, then there saptami won't be there. Then there would be chaturthi. Asmabhyam vyakaranam rochate. That's how I didn't use that. So when we reach chaturthi, then we'll discuss this.
Oh, at this stage, it is to.
Kimavati?
At this.
No, sabdam na agasti bhavati.
Sir, at this stage, it is too complicated. Asmakam, asmana.
No, so see, if you want to say interest or bhakti, always use sashti. That's simpler. So I'm interested. So I'm interested has separate formation. If you want to convert like to like, that's separate, but that's a different form. And I don't want to go there, because there's something called a pratyay. There's different pratyay. We call it kat pratyay. So I'm interested, you can say my interest. So you just change the way you want to say. So I'm interested in grammar. So this sentence will change it and we say my interest is in Sanskrit. So my is mama. Interest is ruchihi. Mama ruchihi vyakarane asti. That will be easier to say. Mama bhaktihi gurau asti. Mama bhaktihi Muno asti. Mam bhakti devyam devishu asti. So if you use asti, that's easier to say. So when we read about kat pratyay, which is not in this course, which is I think in next course, then we are interested. You can say that way as well. Rochite is one way, but rochite is chaturthi, saptami nasti. So you can say I like grammar or we like grammar, then becomes asmabhyam vyakaranam rochte.
Okay, sir.
So, but when we reach Chaturthi Bhakti, then we'll discuss this there, rochte. Astu. Samyah jatah. So we read kutra today. Bahuvachane. Atra sodhanam avasykam. So here I just put ekvachanam. I put bahuvachanam. Okay. So just a quick review where we are in vibhakti. So we know the karta. Boy writes, balaka likhati. Ditya we also learned. boy write the lesson. Balaka patham likhati. We are doing third. Balaka kut likhati. Balakah grihe likhati. So balakah patham grihe likhati. Vayam atra smaha. This is where we are. Same thing. So who, what, where. So we are fixing where. Same thing. So these slides are duplicate slides. We'll keep repeating it until we cover Vyaktis. So where in English grammar is called locative. In English grammar, the grammatical term for where is locative. So we did nominative karta. We read karma, which is called accusative. Now we are discussing where. That means locative. Now locative in Sanskrit is called adhikaran. So karta nominative, karma accusative, and we are now discussing where. In English is called locative, and a grammatical term in Sanskrit is adhikaran. We'll keep going through multiple times, so don't worry if you don't remember. So nominative, karta, accusative, karma, locative, adhikaran. Same thing. We went through this slide last time as well. So just telling you, we are just repeating it so that it just sit in our mind. We don't forget once we finish the course. We'll just keep repeating this slide again. So we are learning last one, locative, where adhikaran. Same thing. So if you remember, we had this slide in last class as well. So same thing. So if you have any doubt, just ask. So I'm going fast because we are already out of time. So if you have any doubt, so till now we had read about karta, who, we have covered karm, and now we are discussing adhikaranam, location of action. Now we haven't finished yet. We just discussed one part of where, which is kutra. The other part of adhikaran as well. So when we read Saptami Bhakti, we'll cover rest. Astu. Shall we cover sloka if you are guys are fine with extending 3 more minutes? Otherwise, I will close. I will stop the class. You can read the slides.
Next time, so both there.
Most of us know this. Let's move forward.
That's fine. So this is Lakshmi sloka. Just basically we are doing namami to Lakshmi Mata. It's very simple sloka, not much here. So you can go through that. I will play quickly. See, if people want to leave, they can leave. You can wait a second. You can watch the video later if you don't want to stay. Sorry. Let me play it again. Let me play the. Come on. Share computer sound. They change. Let me know if you can hear the sound, because I see they changed it.
సంధ్యావందనలో మధ్యలో లేచిపోయిన నంబర్కి వెళ్ళాలేమో అని
केशः शिरः कर्णौ च भालं नेत्रे गल्लौ च केशः शिरः कर्णौ च भालं नेत्रे गल्लौ च नासिका मुख वक्षस्थलं च उदरं नाभिः कटिः पृष्ठं तथैव श्रोणी वक्षस्थलं च उदरं नाभिः कटिः पृष्ठं तथैव श्रोणी कटिः पृष्ठं तथैव श्रोणी कटिः पृष्ठं तथैव श्रोणी ऊर्परौ मणिबन्धौ हस्तौ ऊरु जानुनी तथैव पादौ ऊर्परौ मणिबन्धौ हस्तौ ऊरु जानुनी तथैव पादौ ऊरु जानुनी तथैव पादौ ऊरु जानुनी तथैव पादौ शरीरमेकं देवमन्दिरं शरीरमेकं देवमन्दिरं स्वस्थं भवतु निरन्तरं 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 स्वस्थं भवतु निरन्तरम्
अस्ति अस्तु कोऽपि प्रश्नः सन्ति कस्यापि?
No, Mahoday. But is that song supposed to be for Saptami Kutra or it's in general
No,
song?
it's only for
Okay.
knowing the body parts, especially
Okay.
my idea.